Class, you have done it. You've made it to week 14. Welcome to the final week of the semester. This week is designed to be fairly simple and straightforward, and I hope it is so for you so that you can focus on other courses if necessary. Really, this week focuses on your final presentation. That will be project 6, and then you will post that to a discussion board and respond to your classmates. This discussion board will be everyone together, so you won't be in your discussion board groups. You'll be back together just like we were for the icebreaker discussion to see everyone's final presentation. So I'll go through the requirements. This is a 3-minute video presentation. Please keep it right at 3 minutes. If you go a little bit over, that's fine. If you post a 4.5 or 5-minute video presentation, it's not as considerate to your classmates who will be going through a number of these. So try and keep this right around 3 minutes. We do want to get to at least 3 minutes though, so if you're posting just a minute or two, it doesn't really give you a chance to talk fully about your business. This screencast should include how your business works, the products or services you offer, and the tools you used to help your business prosper. So that can be Google Analytics, Google Ads. You can talk a little bit about the creation of your business, the legal process, whatever you felt compelling in this course that really helped your business establish or grow. So we need the following guidelines adhered to. This should be an active recording where you're showing your website in real time. There shouldn't be pictures of your website. It shouldn't be a PowerPoint presentation. This is a screencast just like I'm doing right now. You can use Zoom or Jing or any other platform. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now. If you have another platform you want to use, that is fine. That's the most common question I get this week. Does it have to be Zoom or does it have to be Jing? The answer is no. You can use whatever software you would like. There's many free options out there. Screencast-O-Matic that I'm using now is free. It uploads it to YouTube. Really, the requirement you need to follow is that it should be an active recording, and it needs to be uploaded to a URL somewhere online for everyone to view it. Please also note if you use Jing, you have the option to save it on your computer, and that will give you a file name that sometimes looks like a URL. And so that's another way students will get confused, is they'll submit a file name that's not accessible to anyone unless you're on your computer. And what we need is a URL, a web address. So that can be on YouTube, that can be on this screencast.com, which is where Jing uploads to. So it's as long as it's accessible to other students online, then you've fulfilled your requirement. There's a lot of guidance here on Jing. That is a free option, a very common platform, but you have options if you don't like the Jing platform. It can be the platform of your choice. So all you need to do for this final presentation is submit that URL. Submit the web address for this project, and that will be it. For the discussion board, as I mentioned, you will post that same presentation that you submit here. Post that same presentation to the discussion board for your initial post, and then you can respond to classmates. No need to put anything further than just your video for that initial discussion, or for that initial post in the discussion board. But do remember to respond to your classmates following the same guidelines we've done all semester. So that's it, class. It has been a pleasure to have you in this course. I've genuinely enjoyed this semester. You have some very creative ideas out there, and I'm very excited to see the final product that you have on these final presentations. This is a wonderful week for me. I hope it's a fun week for you, but to see what you've created and what these websites and web businesses have become from week 1 to week 14 is it's a thrill. So I look forward to your presentations. Thank you so much for your time and effort and dedication in this class, and for the opportunity, the privilege I had to be your instructor. Please reach out to me, connect on LinkedIn or or stay connected as your business grows. I'd love to hear success stories from my former students. It's fun to watch. But thank you, everybody, and I'll look forward to this week.